Another great thing about this vehicle, with your charging cable in here, let's just see if I can't actually see it, so it's all by feel. So there, charging cable, plug in, it's beeped, so it's picked something up, it's charging. Let's see what happens. Here we go, allow CarPlay with smartphone link while phone is locked, allow. And that's brought up Apple CarPlay straight away. That's on my book. There you go. If I click on the book, click play, turn that up and turn it up here.
Cause ill health effects from electromagnetic radiation.
There we go.
Fund?
That's it. Of course, with Apple CarPlay, you don't have to touch anything. Oops. So indicator on the right then. Let's get going. There's a car coming up the hill pretty fast, so we'll get going. So yeah, Apple CarPlay from the screen here. If I click on there, it mirrors your iPhone. There you go. You've got Audible, you've got Spotify, YouTube, well, sound you can get, Amazon Prime, your charging, your nearest charger if you need one, music, but you don't have to touch anything because, hey Siri, play music.
All right, here's some music picked just for you on Apple Music.
Band on the Run. So that's going to shuffle all the music, all my tracks. But I can play a specific track if I want to. Hey Siri, play Sunflower.
Now playing Sunflower by Post Malone and Swaley.
So you can play specific tracks. Hey Siri, text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
Just out in this Shogun Sport. It's a really nice vehicle.
It says, just out in the Shogun Sport, it's a really nice vehicle. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Thank you. That's it. So, you're driving, you've just got a text, you can't touch your phone, but what you can do, I'll just show you, I'm only doing this so that you can see, there's a red little disc there. Let's just go back there. You'll see there's a notification. So you've got a text, you're dying to know what it is. Hey Siri, read texts.
Barry said just out in the Shogun Sport, it's a really nice vehicle. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you. Sat nav. Hey Siri, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Directions to Manchester Airport.
Now you'll see go comes up there. I don't have to touch it. It will assume that you've just asked it to do something and it's set itself. I'm on the way to Manchester Airport. I fancy a coffee. Hey Siri, take me to Starbucks. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I found is Starbucks on Preston Road in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
You get near enough where you want to go. Hey Siri, stop navigation.
In navigation.
Yes, please. That's it. So easy to use.